Let's get straight to it. 2015 Chrysler 200. This is the V6 3.7 liter engine. So if you're looking for your crank sensor on this vehicle, it's located on the back of the engine. This is your axle, CV axle shaft, and right behind there is your crank sensor. So there's just one bolt to remove that. And let me pull this harness off so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the harness for it looks like here. It's a 3-pin, and you can see the keyway right there. It's an internal keyway right at the top. And let me get you a decent look at the part. So as far as the part, you can see it right there. So once again, it's a 3-pin, and you can see the keyway that's on the inside of it and not on the outside as normal. So I'm noticing a lot of the keyways on this vehicle is on the inside. But there goes your crank sensor right there, guys. And there goes some numbers in case that can help you out. But this is your crank sensor, how to locate it, and simple steps on how to change it.